Your WordPress website is vulnerable. It is exploited by hackers and it can easily be used in order to show all of the users of your website. That is what is called WordPress enumeration, user enumeration. So it's really important for you to know if you have that security check in place, that whether your website is vulnerable or not. And first, what I'm gonna do, I'll just find some of the WordPress website and find some of the most top ranking and top highly trafficked websites and find if those websites are vulnerable and their users are publicly visible. The users data of the WordPress website is publicly visible or not. So when you have the user data, you can simply brute force and try to get into the WordPress website and add files, inject the vulnerable code, and basically the whole website can go down. So make sure to watch this video completely if you want your WordPress website to be saved from the hackers, to be saved from WordPress user enumeration thing. Okay, so let me first find some of the websites and prove you guys that the user's data can be accessed super simple and super easily. So this is my Chrome browser, and I'm just going to find WordPress websites from the internet itself. So that's WordPress website lists, and here we have 31 famous WordPress websites for inspiration in 2024, right? So these websites are getting a lot of traffic. All of these are huge and big websites. So that's the first website in the list, which is getting 15.1 million in organic traffic. And the total traffic of the website is 25.2 million. That's the load time. We don't need any load time. But let's see if this website is vulnerable and if it's been exploited with WordPress user enumeration. Okay, so let's open that up. And all I'm going to do is just add in /wp-json/wp/v2/users. This is WordPress API, and hit enter, and you can see that I have all of the users data. And this is one of the most famous websites listed in 10web.io, which is a really famous AI tool to create websites. I'm going to create a different video for that. I hope they sponsored me. But if they don't, I'm going to create the video anyway for this cool AI tool. But this video is for WordPress user enumeration. And you can see we picked top of the list website, and it's vulnerable, and it's giving the users data publicly, so anyone can see the website author, and we can simply brute force this website to get into the website and add in the malicious code if I would be a hacker. So I just want to make sure that you guys don't get that issue, and I'm going to share a code in this video where you can prevent this from happening. If you add this code in your theme functions.php file, then I'm also going to show you guys how you can add that code to your theme functions.php file. So make sure to watch the complete video. Okay, so let's check out the TechCrunch if we have this bug in the TechCrunch website. wp-json/wp/v2/users. Yep. So that's what we should get. If you should check your WordPress website in the non-logged in version, in the logged out mode, and add in this URL parameter wp-json wp/v2/users, and make sure your users data is not publicly available, right? So let's check out some of the websites to see if other websites have this issue as well. I just wanted to prove that a lot of the WordPress websites have this user enumeration issue, and the user data is publicly available, which should not be available. Okay, that's good. We do not have sufficient permission. That's what it should show on your website as well. So make sure to check that on your website, that it is not showing the user's data publicly, right? Which makes your website vulnerable, and any hackers can easily get into your website. Okay, that's good. REST API restricted to authenticated users, so only authenticated users can access the user data. That's what you should have. Okay, we have Spotify for the record. Spotify has a blog in the WordPress, and oh, okay. So Spotify website also has this vulnerability where they are just giving away their user data publicly. And I would request Spotify to please watch this video and make sure that it's protected. The WordPress user data is protected, and no one can get into get into your WordPress website. Okay, let's check the 007, the bond. Let's see. Okay, whoa. They have privacy error. That's weird. Let's skip that website and let's check out the New York Times. NY Times is built in WordPress. That's good to know. I didn't know that NY Times is also built with WordPress. WordPress is still the most popular CMS, powering like more than 60-70% of the website all over the internet. That's the fact. No one can deny that. Did we added the parameter wrong or what? WP dash and WP dash v2 users. Yeah. Okay, they have some security in place, I guess. Yeah, we cannot get into NY Times. Let's check in the TED blog. That's also a really famous blog and website. And they also have this issue. They are also showing all of their user data in public, which is half of the information hacker would need to get into your website. That's weird. So we checked almost 8 websites, and out of these 8 websites, we had 1, 2, around 3 out of 8 websites. 3 websites are showing their user data publicly, which is a user enumeration issue. And now I'm going to show you guys how you can prevent this from being happening on your website. So I'm going to open up my own website, our company website, which is websenspro.com. I'm going to go to the backend and log in. So guys, we are logged into the backend of our website, and all you have to do is just click on Appearance, Theme File Editor, and here you will navigate to your theme functions. And below the theme functions, you will add this code, and this code will be in the YouTube video description. So there will be a link of the blog post in the YouTube video description. All you have to do is just copy this code and paste it at the end of your theme functions.php file. So paste this code and hit save. And now I'm going to check my own website in incognito mode, and I will be getting this error. So that's what I will get when I'll try to access from JSON WordPress API. So that's the incognito window, and I'm going to /wp-json/wp/v2/users. Okay, you can see that we are getting you are currently logged in, and that's what also you should get. And to save your website, make sure to check out the code in the YouTube video description and paste it in your theme function.php file. In some cases, hosting companies already have this feature, already have the security feature in place, so no one can access publicly your JSON API from WordPress. But if it is not activated and if your users data is publicly available, make sure to check out and paste the code in your theme functions.php file to save your website, as it's a security loophole which hackers can use to exploit your WordPress website and add malicious code on your website. And that's it with the website, guys. One of our clients raised the issue, and we found that code over the internet, and we thought we should also create this video and serve our subscribers to get this useful information. If you like that, make sure to subscribe the channel so we can add and create more valuable content for you guys in this channel. And until next video, have a great day.